And for victims of the Colombia earthquake, another benefit today in Van Nuys. The Parche group hosting this fundraiser in Woodley Park. They have Colombian food for sale, plus a raffle, face painting, all the family-friendly games there, and a DJ. The Colombian community here in LA partnering with relatives in Colombia to distribute all of the money that's raised. A 7.4 earthquake struck the western part of Colombia nearly 2 weeks ago, killing hundreds of people.
People have lost their families. They still haven't recovered their family members from the rubble. They're requiring a lot of masks and things at first for the recovery, but now it's about trying to start the rebuilding process.
Organizers say that they will post what they do with all of the donations on social media for transparency.